glowing skin can boost your confidence and make you feel beautiful, even without makeup. Want to enhance your natural beauty with minimal effort? Let's explore some simple ways to look your best without a drop of makeup. These tips will help you focus on skincare and self-care so you can shine from the inside out. It's all about embracing your natural features and feeling your best in your own skin. What you put inside your body reflects on your skin. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin plump, while foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, nuts, and leafy greens, help maintain a youthful glow. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon or flax seeds can also make your skin look smoother. Cleansing is the first step to healthy skin. Dirt, oil, and pollution build up throughout the day can make your skin look dull and tired. Use a mild, sulfate-free cleanser in the morning and night to keep your skin fresh and glowing without stripping its natural oils. Hydrated skin looks healthier and more radiant. A good moisturizer locks in hydration, preventing dryness and flakiness. Choose one with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides for deep nourishment. Dead skin cells can make your face appear dull and uneven. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week helps to remove buildup, unclog pores, and promote a smooth, glowing complexion. No skincare routine is complete without sunscreen. Sun exposure can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Make sunscreen your best friend. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day. It acts as a protective shield for your skin, ensuring it stays youthful and healthy for years. Ice is a simple yet effective way to reduce puffiness and refresh your face. Gently press an ice cube wrapped in a cloth onto areas like your under-eye area or any swollen spots. The cold will help reduce swelling, leaving your skin looking refreshed and awake. Tired, puffy eyes can make you look dull. Using under-eye patches infused with hydrating and brightening ingredients like hyaluronic acid or vitamin C can instantly refresh your eyes and make you look more awake. Your eyebrows shape your entire face. Keeping them neatly groomed, whether by plucking, threading, or waxing, can enhance your natural beauty. Filling in sparse areas lightly with a brow gel or pencil can also add a polished touch while still looking natural. Lashes can make a huge difference in how fresh and awake you look. Using a lash serum with ingredients like castor oil can help promote longer, fuller lashes. You can also try natural curling techniques, like applying a bit of Vaseline to hold the curl without mascara. You can also curl your lashes with an eyelash curler. Your hair plays a huge role in your overall appearance. Keep it clean, nourished, and styled in a way that complements your face shape. Regular trims, deep conditioning, and minimal heat styling help maintain shine and health. Apply rosemary water for extra growth. Heat styling can damage your hair over time, but that doesn't mean you have to give up curls. Try heatless methods like socks curls before bed, using foam rollers, or wrapping your hair in a silk scarf. These techniques give you soft, natural waves without the damage. Chapped lips can make your face look tired, while smooth lips add to your overall attractiveness. Use a natural lip balm and exfoliate your lips occasionally to keep them soft and plump. Looking good without makeup isn't about perfection. It's about self-care and confidence. When you take care of yourself from the inside out, your natural beauty shines effortlessly. Embrace your unique features and celebrate what makes you feel good. Remember, true beauty starts with how you feel about yourself.